Today I'm gonna be I want y'all to just watch me mess up my eyebrows. I filmed this video like a month ago and I did not want to post it because I messed up my eyebrows so bad. Look how big my eyebrows be. I left my eyebrows to grow out like this because I wanted to try this out. Pluck my eyebrows is just trace them out and remove all the hairs. This is what I was supposed to do. I was supposed to just pluck these little hairs and be done. But you guys are not going to see this. I rubbed off the line and I went back in and I draw the line higher. I plucked out too much of my eyebrows. So my eyebrows are very small. That shit pissed me off so bad. But anyways, this is how I do my eyebrows. And then I'm just trimming the top, and this is gonna be pointless at the end of the video and you'll see why. Alright, so you can see I'm wiping off the thing and look how small my eyebrows are. And I'm confused. I'm just as confused as you guys are. Like, what? If you watch my channel, you know how big my eyebrows be. Anyways, I found this eyelash perming kit on Amazon, and I'm not linking it down below because they're very nasty. Like, you'll see what I mean when I say they're nasty. This shit stinks so bad. But I'm going in with the number 4. The number 4 is just a cleanser. I'm cleansing the eyebrows before I start this process. This wasn't even supposed to be a tutorial. This was supposed to be a fun time. I'm taking the glue, and all the glue does is going to stick my eyebrows straight up so it doesn't curl, and the perm will be able to apply nicely. This glue is very strong, by the way. All of these products stink. They smell like old rotten eggs. Just watching that video right now with Alu making me so angry because I real shit up my eyebrows. Why only making that ugly face? So I just applying it. Then not even a tutorial. Just watch for Alu entertainment. Just smile through my pain. I don't even have nothing to say at this point. I don't even have no commentary to give over this because I had high hopes for these eyebrows, but it come out looking like a larger bless, to be honest. And that glue does dry fast, so you'll see me trying to move fast and put a little bit more glue. It was not working. That thing already stick down. As soon as I put the glue, it stick down on my eyes. It stick down on my face. Alright, you see how you're real smooth? Looking real surprised? It came with these sticky sticks. I think I use this for the perm thing. Well, that's what I use it for. I use it to dip it in the perm bottle. And I'm just reading the directions because this is my first time ever using this. And this is the step number 1. This is the perming lotion. That shit stinks. And look, it came like this, like dirty as shit. Firstly, I'm gonna link it down below so you guys can know not to get this, because this is crazy. It stinks so bad. Well, it literally smells like the regular perm. Like, it smells like shit. I'm putting that all over my eyebrows, and this is what's gonna do the perming. I don't know what my life has come to. I don't know what quarantine doing to me. This shouldn't be illegal for me. This shouldn't be legal for me to be able to buy this shit on Amazon and just do it, you know? And at the moment, my eyebrows are growing back. So I'm waiting patiently for them to grow back so I can do them my regular way. Because I can't believe I plucked out all my eyebrows. And my eyebrows high, looking very surprised. I think I put a lot more because I didn't want it to be too thin and then, you know, get dry fast. So I'm using the saran wrap and I'm wrapping my eyebrows like chicken. Why am I making that face? Like, I'm so surprised. I think I'll make this saran wrap too big, but oh well. I leave it on my face for 10 minutes. 10 minutes. It's already 7 p.m. Oh, this is my painting. I think I'm gonna do a painting video soon. I already asked y'all and y'all say you wanted to see it, so I got you. Okay, now time to take out that. I'm taking my time because I didn't know if my eyebrows was going to come off with it. And that how you looking. You smelling real stink. I kind of had to wipe off, but I think that is because of the glue. It was kind of hard. I don't know. And then the glue started, like, it was still sticky or something, so it was pulling off the Q-tip stuff onto my eyebrows. Okay, then I'm going in with step number 2. That is the setting lotion to set everything in place. And I think this also stops the processing of the perm, so my eyebrows don't fall off. I mean, my eyebrows didn't fall off. I just felt like, why I have Indian eyebrows and had edges. That is the only thing I didn't like. But after like 3 days, the eyebrows was really nice. So I might do it again, but I want my eyebrows to grow back regular. And I probably should have cut my eyebrows after I was done doing the perm, like perm the big eyebrows and then cut it. Everybody know that doesn't make sense sometimes, so I just stay doing all kind of stupidness. I don't know what possessed me to go and buy this perming thing, but I see everybody doing brow lamination, so I want to do brow lamination, or eyebrow perm, and that's what I did. My mom, I should have recorded my mom's reaction. She was laughing like crazy. And then I'm gonna put back that saran wrap again. Look at my eyes, look at my face. Oi, I don't know what I'm looking like. I don't know why I pulled my eyebrows. Ten minutes again. This lasts like a month, the straight eyebrows. I mean, my eyebrows are still straight right now, so I can brush them up and they're still straight. But what I don't like is I didn't cut off the eyebrows that I was supposed to cut off. It's kind of like I pluck out all my good eyebrows and I left the part that I was supposed to cut off and I permed it. So when I wash my face, it literally falls down and my eyebrows are small. This is a joke. Comment down below if you guys ever tried eyebrow lamination professionally or by yourself, and if you like it, because I like it, but I just a little bit irritated because my eyebrows are small. Look how it's all. Then I'm gonna use this moisturizing lotion to moisturize the eyebrows because they're very dry. Well, let me not lie to you, they weren't dry at first, but I applied this for 2 days straight because they get dry. When you wash your face, they get dry and they're straight. The brow hairs are straight. And I'm just like rubbing it just to break up the glue because the glue is very hard and stuck into the eyebrow hairs. And then I'm just wiping off the excess and the glue. I'm brushing my eyebrows the way that I want it to lay because I want it to like be straight up in the front and then swoop over to the side. That's how I do my eyebrows normally because I do it with my Got2b gel. If you watch my makeup videos, you're already up on the game. probably gonna do another video once my eyebrows grow back. Probably not, because I feel like every time if I film myself doing my eyebrows, I just mess my eyebrows up, and I don't have time for the shenanigans. I cannot be messing my eyebrows are literally my favorite feature on my face. And my forehead and face was breaking out this time, but the bumps are growing away slowly but surely, so I don't want to speak on it for it to come back. I'm just brushing out the eyebrows, and this is how they look. Tell me if you guys liked this video, if it was entertaining to look at me mess my eyebrows up. I think it's pretty cool. I just feel like I don't like that it's so straight. The first 2 days is very straight compared to my edges, but yeah, I like this. Thank you guys for watching, and I will definitely see you in my next one. Bye.
Bits on the track.